Okay, hi Nava. Here we go. Argumentation. And we're gonna open this. I'm gonna open the document. Here's my document. Editing. Okay, so I got this, and then I gotta go to Schoology, and I'm gonna go to my text for reading, and then I'm gonna go to attach to technology and paying a price. And then so I can see it better, I like to click this button and download it. And I'm gonna open it, and it's gonna open in a new tab. There we go. And then I'm gonna minimize it and make these so they're side by side. Okay. So what you need to do is you need to read this article. I think it's only about 7 pages. And then what you're going to do on this screen is you're going to respond to the prompt below. So how does the information in this article, attached to technology and paying a price, influence your thoughts about shut down your screen week? So I'm going to start it and I'm going to say the article attached to technology and paying influences my thoughts about shut down your screen week because okay, so that's going to be my topic sentence. So this is my topic sentence right here. And then next I need a key detail. So I'm going to say one reason it influences my thoughts is in this way. So this is going to be our yellow because it's a star detail. And then I'm going to say this can be seen on page blank in the article attached to technology and paying a price. I'm just going to abbreviate it. And the author says. And then this is going to be red because it is my example. And then you need to explain this. This means, or you can say this shows. And then you're going to want to do that. So this is going to be like your introduction paragraph. And then this is going to be your body. And then you're going to say, I think that, and then tell me something about the 2 articles. This is going to be your concluding sentence for this paragraph. Now you're going to literally do this again 2 more times. Okay? Except you need to make sure you have another transition. So instead of one, I'm going to say another. And then when I do my last one, it can be a third or a final reason. And then you need to give me a conclusion. So you can say something like, in conclusion, I think that both the articles, blah, blah, blah. Okay? And you don't need to highlight them like I did. I'm just showing you how Step Up to Writing would highlight it. I'm sure you know that from middle school. Okay, so that is basically how you're going to do this assignment. And Mr. Schickling said it should be about 500 words, so I think that should be about 1 page. Okay, good luck.